In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your email campaigns, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to HubSpot by doing a quick search for HubSpot CRM on Google. Once the search results appear, click on the HubSpot CRM software link. It's that easy. You'll then be directed to the HubSpot website where you can click on Get Started Free to create or enter your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with the option to continue with your user profile. Select the user you'd like to proceed with and confirm your choice. Next, choose an account to work within HubSpot. If you're part of multiple organizations, you'll need to select the relevant account and continue. Now you're in. Click on the Email tab from the HubSpot dashboard to get started with creating your email template. You'll spot a button labeled Create Email. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose a sending method. This step helps HubSpot tailor its functionalities to best suit your needs. Now go ahead and click on Create New Template. Keep in mind that crafting a new email template is a feature reserved for HubSpot subscribers, so ensure you have the correct subscription level. Once inside, click on Email again. Choose to create an email by clicking Send to a list of contacts. You can decide whether to send your emails immediately or schedule them for later, whatever suits your campaign timeline best. Now comes the creative part. Building your email template layout. You can choose from HubSpot's selection of pre-made templates or start fresh with a blank slate. To populate your email, click on Drop Content here. HubSpot offers a simple drag and drop editor where you can insert various modules like images, text, CTAs, and buttons right into the body of your email. As you customize, don't forget to incorporate your brand colors, logos, and fonts into the header, body, and footer. To take your emails to the next level, add personalization tokens like first name or company name. These tokens automatically customize your emails for each recipient, adding a personal touch that's sure to enhance engagement. Finally, after crafting your email masterpiece, click Save Email as Template. This step ensures all your hard work is stored for future campaigns, making it quick and easy to replicate successful emails down the line. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating an email template in HubSpot. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.